In this video you will learn to convert the string to date time. So we'll be using the date time module. We'll import date time. Okay. So now I am going to make a my date underscore string. Okay. And let's put the date November 1st 2022 11 a.m. Okay. So now we'll make a date time object, datetime.strptime, and then we'll put the my date string as the first argument. Okay. And the format specifies %b and then %d for date and then %y for year. Okay. Similarly %i and then %m and then percentage of lowercase p. Okay. So let's print the type first, type of our datetime object, and then we'll print the datetime object. So you can see the type and a string. So using strptime method, date and time in string format can be converted to datetime type. So the first parameter is our string and the second is the datetime format specifier. So one advantage of converting the datetime format is one can select the month or date or time individually. So now let's use another module, that is our Dateutil. Okay. So let's import from Dateutil. We'll import parser. Okay. So we'll make date underscore time and parser.parse. Let's put the date and time November 1st 2022 11 a.m. and let's print the type first, date underscore time, and let's print the date underscore time. Okay. So you can see the output, the type and the date and time. So using the Dateutil module, parse method can be used to convert a string into datetime format. The only parameter we have used is the string.